Hi, welcome to winsights.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable SMB 1.0 CIFS File Sharing Support on Windows 11. To do so, first we have to open the run command. On the run command, we will use the command appwiz.cpl. This command will open programs and features. On the left pane, you can find turn Windows features on or off. Click on that, and once you click on that, Windows features dialog box will open. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Locate SMB1 CIFS file sharing support, and then click on the checkbox next to it to enable it and click OK. Now Windows will search for the required files, and once it completes that process, it will apply all the necessary changes. Let's wait for that. Let's fast forward to that point. Alright. Finally, we have to click on restart now so that whatever the changes we made will reflect. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to winsights.com. Thank you for watching.